everybody. So I just want to come and let you guys know that I didn't forget about Vlogmas. My laptop and my camera does not want to let me be great on everything I love. It just don't want me to be great. I was determined to do Vlogmas this year, and it's just been put in a really big damper. Hi girl, y'all see this? But so this is day 6 of that twist out, and yeah, today is about to go down. It's a wrap after. Matter of fact, y'all see that? It's real. I'm about to. It's real when you're trying to get your wig to dry real quick. So, but look, Vlogmas is continuing. I have not given up on Vlogmas. As a matter of fact, I have a video uploaded right now. Go check it out right now. I just uploaded it. Yes, it's the rice mix from me washing my hair. It does say Vlogmas 15 because that's when things started messing up. So I'm going to continue Vlogmas. I haven't give up. My motivation is you guys. I'm very motivated, very dedicated, and I'm not going to give up. Self-care has been kicking my ass. I am caring for myself, and for me, y'all see me up. Like, self-care has been really good for me right now. So in my self-care, I told myself I really want to do Vlogmas. I'm so dedicated. I want to do it. I want to do it. And I feel like everything has been really standing in my way of trying to progress and be great. And I'm not about to let it happen. I'm about to push through and continue Vlogmas and continue to put up content. I don't care if 2 people are watching my content. I'm going to continue to vlog like I have 10 million viewers watching me. I mean, that's the kind of drive you have to have. That's the kind of drive that I have. So I'll see y'all in a bit. I love you guys. I love you. Thank you so much. All right, everybody. Vlogmas is here. I'm in my nice little Uber. Hi, Uber driver. He's pretty dope. He's been keeping me company. So we are on our way to the airport. I'm trying to make this flight, y'all. Hopefully we'll make this flight. I already missed the first bus, and I had to catch the second bus. So I got on it. I'm here. I'm in Vegas, and now I'm
Vegas, Vegas.
Yes, Vegas, Las Vegas. Yeah. And I'm trying to catch this flight so I can get to my next destination. So pray for me, y'all. Mwah. Waiting while my hair is baking. It's baking. So I'm bleaching my knots on my wig. So it's baking. And I'm just waiting, and I'm nervous because it's my first time bleaching the knots on my wig, and this wig was too expensive, so I've just been eating and eating and eating and snacking and snacking and snacking. Put y'all in the snack cabinet.
word. That was nice.
Okay, couple of house rules. We're gonna, everybody can serve themselves. There's plenty of food, so you don't gotta be a hog the first go around. Everybody, there's a lot of stuff, you get a little bit of everything. Your plate gonna be full anyway.
I don't see no liquor.
This is BYO.
My car going in my
I got
car.
the food for y'all. That's Purchse for your own doing. BYO, okay?
And don't get Bruce up.
I'm gonna be cool in
What's the future tip? No, you gotta sit down, you gotta socialize and eat your dinner with your family. Y'all go home and be in the bed 24 hours. Spend a little time with us tonight. How about that?
She talking about me and you.
So go on. You ain't run it off yet. Y'all know you're in bed at 6 o'clock. Hang out a little bit. Tomorrow ain't promised. My grandfather supposed to be here because we say happy birthday to him. He's going to be 95. He hang out longer than all y'all.
You coming?
Yeah. Check that out. He be hanging out longer than all y'all. So let's hang out.
Yeah, Missy, you sure looking special over there.
So anyway, the places on this end, we got ham, turkey, greens, string beans, lima beans. There's tamales. There's giblet gravy and red sauce and green sauce if you need a little more sauce on your tamales. Mac and cheese, dressing, yams, ham. We got it all. Merry Christmas, everybody. Measured inside, yes. Yes. Look, son, I got some bougie pots. Got the measurement inside. Ooh, you excited for me? Oh shit.
Competition.
What up? What's up, boys? Taking all the trash out. Say hey to YouTube. Chilling. Let me show y'all who I'm chilling with. Let me see. If I can flip this. You over here singing? You singing? Paw Patrol. What you reading over here? Let's see. Cats. Cats. Purr. Cats. Cats. Cats.
Grind up the pavement with a gravel grinder.
Another delay, but you keep bouncing like I'm a bouncy castle. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 5 stop, 0 leaks. We're crushing this commute.
Huggies Little Movers, our best fitting.
I've tried everything. Turning the handle clockwise, counterclockwise, not turning it, staring at it for a while. Tell you about it. I'm already.
Come on. Dinky. What? Hey, what's up with the little lip quiver? It's not that serious.